Hi, this is Patrick Campbell from BMC Software. Today we're going to look at how easy it is to get started creating your own custom TrueSight Pulse dashboards. After logging in, you can go to the dashboard drop-down list. Choose Create New. You'll see available metrics on the left and panels on the right. We're going to create our custom dashboard to have metrics from our remote monitoring of a critical application and some infrastructure metrics all in the same dashboard. We've dragged the HTTP time metric onto the panel on the right. We'll make it extend across two columns to be more visually prominent. Just drag the lower right corner across the two panels, and now we'll select another metric. Let's use the Search Metrics feature for this one. Begin typing memory and see that the metrics that match show up in the results. Pretty easy, huh? And then just drag it onto a panel, like this. Now let's select CPU and drag that onto a panel in the second row. Ready for a little challenge? We'll now show you how to include two metrics on one panel. We'll do disk data in and disk data out and drag the data in metric first. Then we'll grab the disk data out metric. Drag that over and hover in the same panel right below the data in metric. You might have to try it a few times to get the hang of it. Now let's do it one more time for disk reads and writes. Drag the disk reads onto our last panel. Now grab disk writes. And we've got our panels populated. Note that you can add more rows here or more columns, as shown here. Now give your custom dashboard a name, My Dashboard, and then save. Fantastic! We now have a custom dashboard with exactly the metrics we want to view. So now, let's say we want to share some of this data with a team member, but don't want to have them have to log in with credentials. They just need the data. So let's select the share icon over here in the lower left corner. Click Embed Dashboard. This now shows the default metrics for our infrastructure, but we want to add to that the HTTP time metric for our remote monitoring. So we'll grab that and drag it over here just as we did for the custom dashboard. You see, the Embed Graphs Designer is very similar to the Dashboards Designer, except that the dashboard you create here will be shared outside of the application. We stretch the corner over the two columns, and now we can select the iframe code to include on another web page or internet for collaboration as needed. Alternatively, and in some cases even better, clicking Preview generates a handy URL with all the parameters of this dashboard. This URL can then be shared with anyone. Just copy and paste in any web browser. And bam! You now have live streaming data in real time from your TrueSight Pulse SaaS app. Others who need to know will be able to see the same data that you're seeing as needed. We can see that our critical web app is going pretty smoothly so far. We appreciate your time watching this video to see how to quickly create custom TrueSight Pulse dashboards with the exact metric data you need and to share this data with other team members. Thanks!